manyia mange na boigo bwatrana Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chiomugusi. Ensoko TV oburuso bwumugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengali botari no mubwekano. Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bwumugusi.
Manjito muliria bwigita seni ya Ensoko TV nigo chiabuli na wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso chingakitwa kwariganiria magia asentra yobwinge buna butamiri terende na ndemo na nigo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere anose sorry karanso kia tonyora sumtana ito Facebook na wega sensemo ya YouTube onyari kugusanga na bego kwimanya egati yali na kwariganire chingakechi. Manjito muliria togo chaka norobotiro tangani nigo muwakiri rieta Charles Kanjama hachwalirwe kuba omurayo munene bw'ekiombe kyaba wakiri Jose LSK Kanjama niga aboligwe Jose niga ararigwe kobo mubwi bw'ekeminano kyabete n'abarwanira bande abo babete bakurwanire kiroge kyo tubwate Joyce Magina asobubwi bw'ekikura abete kunyora chiri bwisato chimisana na Ibere nemerongene nainye asomo wakiri Peter Manyonge wanyama neratite buna humo wi okabere.
The last one, Supreme Court Police Station number 5. Registered voters 698, spoiled ballot papers 0. Total number of votes cast 189, rejected votes 2. Total number of valid votes cast 289. Kanjama Charles Njero Senior Council 154. Manyonge Peter Wanyama 62. Maura Kabata 73.
All what we have announced are results which have been verified with confirmation from the chief agents of the three candidates.
Senior Council, yes. 3,740. Manyonge Peter Wanyama, 2,649. Maura Kabata, 2,113.
Today the Law Society of Kenya has spoken. It has spoken clearly, firmly, and in numbers that leave no doubt about the direction it has chosen. I begin by congratulating my worthy opponents, Maura Kabata and PMO Wanyama, for the contest they put forward. This was a robust and highly competitive election. It is the strength of that contest that gives today's outcome its authority and its legitimacy. To the members of the... Today we affirm an enduring truth of the profession, that the vote of the people remains supreme, and it is the strongest voice the bar will ever have. I congratulate the incoming LSK Council leadership, from the Vice President, whose results will be announced shortly, to every council member elected. I look forward to working closely with you to build a united and formidable council, one that will protect the membership, defend the rule of law.
Nabaiga ekero liberera lyokura machibo yobo tukigoro yobo sagania ubolengete goturbanie mesangirikano n'ichinse mochinde bali aba kwameria serikali babeire bakugikiria kwerinde bono nigo mwasiri bo berindi boimeke chumba murkomeni atebire ebinto bikorusia marioki nigo byabeire bikwenekiwa gochia sama boko y'abantu batali abanyanyimbo nigatebire buna abantu babeire bakwenekya nabaigo goturbania emesangirikano nigo bali abantu batali abanyanyimbo.
It is possible that we have tear gas canister in the wrong hands because in some instances, even where police presence was not, we don't have police presence, we've seen tear gas being used in rallies, and the Inspector General of Police is investigating all those incidences to see whether there are some civilians who have tear gas, and these are resources that are not supposed to be in civilian hands, or whether there are police officers who are colluding with civilians and giving them tear gas canisters. It's the same problem. It's not unique to tear gas only. People are having bullets in this valley, and bullets that are supposed to be in the hands of security officers. They have guns, even worse ammunitions like guns, who are not supposed to be in civilian hands. So the same way guns and bullets are in wrong hands here, we have witnessed situations where tear gas canisters are in the wrong hands of civilians. Some, we are told, when I inquired, some we are told the ones that are not detonated during riots and so forth, already used by police officers. We are told there are some civilians who keep them for purpose of using them later. But also it is very clear that somebody somewhere is giving out tear gas canisters to the wrong people who are using them in these rallies. I can tell you for sure it is not police officers who are using those tear gas, and they are not used under the command and the direction of the police officers who are in command, including the Inspector General of Police, and therefore investigations are being carried out the same way we are investigating those who have bullets and guns. Those who have tear gas canisters in the wrong hands must be investigated.
Muraibu kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Party Kalonzo Musyoka ogikirie bokongo okoenanwa kwemerobiro ye county ya Nairobi gochia serikali enene asate biro morobiro yo nigo tabwati bwasyo kubonde bwense na bono nigaboliria bomsiye kurwase county ya Nairobi kwenekia bunango chabaramo na kwenekia bunarichi kogose katiba gochire kubwatwa na begasaba boliti bazwanchirana elio gotachirwanse kolende babe bagotegererwa.
Mchezo tu. Huyo ni mchezo, and I think it will be challenged. Afadhali waseme they have transferred because chairman atakuwa Musalia. Hakuna governor sakaja chairman. The majority of those who be sitting in that committee ni wale ambao wameteuliwa na William Ruto. Amenyakua mamlaka. Kwa hivyo waache kudanganya watu hapa. So but of course the bottom line, Nairobi city is an important, and on that one I heard William Ruto properly acknowledge that the only UN headquarters in the global south is here in Nairobi, and I did everything I could as Minister for Foreign Affairs to make sure that happened. When the late Kofi Annan came here and pronounced that Nairobi is one of the UN headquarters, alongside New York, Geneva, Austria, and then Nairobi. So it's critical that we have a huge presence of the diplomatic personnel here. In fact, in the years ahead, it's possible, if they change the rules of engagement, the General Assembly can sometimes come at some future day, come and hold sessions in Nairobi. So the importance of Nairobi, the need to make sure it remains a green city in the sun, not a green city in Majabwa. But the way they want to approach it is wrong, and we continue to tell them so. You cannot deal a deathly blow on devolution and pretend you're having a special cooperation arrangement. Either you believe in devolution, and I want to suggest that suggest to the MCAs in Nairobi County to make sure their role is not taken away. It is not taken away. I know that Senator Sifuna is on this matter, and I stand fully with him, right? In fact, I wanted to talk to him yesterday, and he was addressing the press on the same issue. And of course, he's one of the, I think, the number one consumer of that type of appreciation. If he was not consulted, and he's a senator of Nairobi, you can see the bad faith. So whatever you're doing, you must also demonstrate good faith. So if you demonstrate bad faith, you'll be met with bad faith. Yani, kama ni mbaya, ni mbaya.
Nabaigo mubungo imbakasi esibabu wino momochirio mu bisomo nene ya wizara y'obulinzi bw'ime Leimondo Moro asogoturubania omolembe maiga yo gutama abanyanyimbo komobwata mokoyoye boigo asatebire buna nonye agatie yabarayi bagokana awikarana kwa base county ya Kakamega bachikogenda robuna United Opposition nagokwana n'ababenyi b'ekisemecho musangerekana wakorekana litko lyo mukubyo asinsemo cha Amalemba.
Ladies and gentlemen, today around 4 p.m. my brother-in-law, Geoffrey Ajiki, called me and told me that he was arrested by 6 DCI officers. And he told me that he was being brought here at Nairobi area police headquarters. I am here at the moment. We've not found him. My brother-in-law, and right now his phone is off. My brother-in-law did inform me yesterday when we met that one Raymond Omolo has been intimidating him, said that he would finish him. He would finish all his businesses. And today, he has sent goons in the name of police officers to arrest him. If there's any charge against my brother-in-law, present him before a competent court of law tomorrow. We will be there. The rally that is being organized in Kakamega, we will be there. And you cannot stop this rally. This rally is bigger than you. You are just a mere PS in the interior section. There's nothing you can do. We've dealt with bigger people. Kama boss wako ndiye hatuwezi, wewe utatuweza aje? And Raymond, as we speak, you are organizing goons being transported from Kisumu. From tomorrow will be transported from Kisumu all the way to Kakamega to bring violence, to hurt other Kenyans. I want to challenge you. I want you to come to Kakamega yourself. We see if you will still be Raymond Omolo. And my brother, you cannot intimidate us. Boss yako mwenyewe hatuwezi. Wewe utatuwezaje? The other day you organized goons who vandalized our PA system at Kitengela. You are paying them 1,000, 2,000 Kenya shillings. And I want to tell you that we will not stop until we reach our destination.
Manjito murigiria tugusika mutwe nige komiti ya butambe yobungenene yo kumurikira mangana y'ikisemi ya mochirie omuriki obutambe ikisemi Julius Bitoki haso gutaikira nebikaro na kuringorigwa ne komiti yo boigonirwa baburirie kiombe gya TSC ko bwatuka certificate go cya saboro kyo bonse bari bataranyora wetera asoko barwa kwenibo.
He has failed to appear, he has failed to honor, and he has failed to carry out his duties as the principal secretary of basic education, noting that the budget policy statement is supposed to addressing key issues in the sector.
The PS has a very low opinion on the matters of the House, and this committee should actually sanction him and impose the greatest penalty possible.
The PS must be called out. We cannot allow this to continue, particularly in the Department of Education that is critical.
On several occasions fails to appear before the committee. And a number of issues this committee has raised to the PS has not been answered satisfactorily. And I remember when we were in the retreat in Naivasha, the whole House was in condemnation of his behavior. And today, this has been brought to light. So we really want all those certificates be released to parents or to students, to their owners. And no time should the principals retain the certificates again.
Majito marigeria tugusika mutwe Ido Dinga uyoro murugi onyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga oikire mutu ya komiti ebunge yo kumurikira mangana y'echinse chesko maga yogochorwa buno mubarosi bwense ya Kenya ne chinse chiria chirensi yekiombe kya UNEP.
Ida Betty Odinga. I, Ida Betty Odinga,
do swear that the information I shall give before this Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence, and Foreign Relations on the matters under its consideration shall be truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. To appear before you this morning, and I thank you for taking time to consider my nomination for the invitation to participate in this important vetting process for the Kenya Permanent Representative of the United Nations Environmental Program. First and foremost, I'm grateful to Almighty God, the God that has given me opportunity. He has been my source of and guide throughout my life. I thank His Excellency, the President, William Samoei Ruto, for the trust he has placed in me by nominating me to serve our nation in this important global diplomatic role. I'm also thankful to supporters and messages of goodwill, plus all the advice I've received from my friends, colleagues, and Kenyans since my nomination. I want to thank my family, particularly my children, one of whom is here today, Rosemary is here with me, whom I cherish and whom are here with me to give me support to be with me today. I want to make special mention of my partner and my friend, my biggest supporter, my recently departed husband, Raila Amolo Odinga, with whom I was been married for the last 52 years. He always encouraged me and supported me as I pursue my dreams. He was a constant supportive pillar in my life, who immensely contributed to who I am today. May his soul rest in peace. I also acknowledge the many friends, colleagues, schoolmates, college mates, and all well-wishers, those who have worked with me over years, and thank you, those friends.
Na wikira gwo mwanjito murigiria bwigita senigen Soko TV na kuputura Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bono mugaso kore ntiga wakire ngambi ya mona so gusanga nita segita senige tugen Soko TV biya mona so gachireta senige tugen Soko TV ko bigita seni kyago namba ayemo na bagenda uchingire miro biditi migita senige to utambe kera wikira somtana ito Facebook na bakonyara ko to follow weka sesemo chia YouTube boigo kwanyara ko subscribe eri kwanyara ko to segeta na boigo twanyara to segeta asemero biditi migita senige tugen Soko TV tumarane omukubyo naboigo mesa yamaya ritko yatichirimo manjito murigeria na kuganiriye kendengia nandi amaseseni abuna butambe ncende ana ndemo nabago director ne kura studio ya kabere wane kire buna maryo gini chibichango cyara senchi abene director Anko Joshua.
Moko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.